We made money off that insurance, because we didn't have it for that long. So yeah, but yeah, that's another story. So it's going to be Starburst, but it's going to be more of a ball shape. And then the other ones. Oops, what was that? I think the lathe. Nice ribbons, thank you. The lathe just discovered a catch, but yeah, kind of did. Something broke up there. So it turned off. It's a nice safety feature, but I don't really need that at the moment. So I just need to give it a minute